Hi folks, welcome to Guaranty RV. My name is Dib, and today we're going to show you the 385 FL built by Alliance. Very impressive. Auto level, with hydraulics, push a button, there you go. It got a lot of storage outside there in the basement. So let's go inside and show you more. All right, folks, here we go. Very exciting to be in this unit. It's really a piece of art in a way. Bath and a half. Big fridge. Look at this residential oven stove, 4 burners with a big window right there behind that oven. I like that a lot. Counter space both sides, folks. That's a big deal right there. Look at this island. Traffic flow is really nice. You got the dinette, nice touch there with that table. And then you go up to the living room, and this is really classy. Big fireplace right there, the big screen TV. I mean, two couches opposite. You can visit with family, what have you. And then as we go down, we're gonna go through the kitchen, all right? And then we're gonna go up to the bedroom, and this is where the engineering of this unit comes alive in a way. So look at this bathroom. I mean, elbow room galore. You can really have some freedom, in and out the shower and all that. It's a big deal. Okay, guys, here we go. You can see the slide toppers right there, ready to go. The auto level, like we spoke about. There is a lot of information available. Please give me a call at 541-515-1237. Thank you.